Hello all, welcome to the session. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the different nanostructures. The nanomaterials are classified into the different ways: 0-dimensional, 1-dimensional, 2-dimensional, and 3-dimensional. In case of bulk material, we have idea about the 3-dimensional is nothing but x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. 2-dimensional material is nothing but x and y, and 1-dimensional means along x-axis. 0-dimensional means there is no size in any particular direction. This part we have idea, but in case of nanomaterials point of view, here 0-dimensional is take it as the quantum dot. This is also called as quantum dot. In case of 0-dimensional, just imagine a dot. Why the dot is erases? Because there is no possibility to draw that or extend that along x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. This is also called as confinement, restriction in expanding the dot in all three spatial dimensions. This is called as 0-dimensional nanomaterials, are also called as quantum dot. 1-dimensional, for example, it's like a 1-dimensional, like length is high, and when you take it as the breadth and width point of it is in the nano range. Only 1-dimensionally it is going and confined in 2 directions, and free is in 1. 2-dimensional, it's like a sheet. It's like a sheet. So there is a possibility to expand in both the directions, 2 directions, free in 2 directions, but restricted in 1 direction. Bulk, there is no restriction. So confinement is nothing but restriction to expand the material dimension. So in all directions it is confined, it is called as 0-dimensional. 2-directionally confined, it is take it as the 1-dimensional nanomaterials because it is free in 1. 1-directionally it is confined, restricted. Other 2 directions are expand like a sheet. But there is no restriction in any x-axis, y or z-axis. This can be taken as the 3-dimensional particle. There is no restriction. It is a bulk material. It's a bulk material. So the material 0-dimensional is nothing but restricted in all the directions. 1-dimensional is free, restricted in 2 other directions. 2-dimensional is nothing but restricted in 1 direction and free expansion in other 2.